In this short tutorial, I will show you how to delete your TEMU account. Deleting your TEMU account is a simple process that can be done in a few easy steps. To get started, open up the TEMU mobile app and then tap on the U button at the bottom center. After that, tap on the Settings button at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap Account Security. And then scroll down to the very bottom, and you'll see an option to delete your TEMU account. Tap on it. Deleting your account is a permanent action, so it's important to understand what will happen when you do it. Before you proceed with deleting your account, make sure to read all the information provided to get a better understanding of the process. Once you've done that, put a check mark here. I want to permanently delete my TEMU account. Tap Continue. Then select a reason why you are deleting your TEMU account. Tap Continue. To delete your account, you will need to verify your identity. This is an important step to ensure that the account deletion process is secure and that you are the rightful owner of the account. To verify your identity, you can choose from a few different ways. Once you have successfully verified your identity, you can proceed with the account deletion process. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.